Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Kashif and I'm an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS offline and online as well. There is a little bit different criteria for teaching online. As far as offline is concerned, that we teach any student whoever comes to our academy. But before starting, we do assess that at what level his or her English is. And as far as online teaching is concerned about IELTS, we don't take every students who asks us to study online, because IELTS is not like a typical course which we have been studying in our um, intermediate and bachelor's Pakistani education system studies. It's a different kind of study, and we take assessment when someone comes online, and if he or she has good grip on basic English, then we can coach them online on Zoom about IELTS. This video is about the portal which you can practice. uh, I already have made a video on reading module, how you can practice on the portal about reading module. Today is I'm going to tell you how you can practice listening module on that portal. I have already uploaded a video of portal on which I have told you what is the link and where you can go for the reading test. I will repeat. I'll paste the link in description. Make sure you watch it. I have already pasted these links on my YouTube channels, IELTS with Kashif. Today is, you can type in Explorer bar again, ENGNOVATE, engnovate.com. So you're on the website. You don't need to log in, you don't need to give your Google email, there's no subscription. Some things are limited, but as far as reading and listening is concerned, there's unlimited latest uploads. You can practice as much as you want. And we normally make our students practice first manually, then we take them on the portal. There are 2 3 portals, but I'll talk about the easiest and which exactly matches with your original test. Actual test exactly matches that portal. Here we go. You can see the screen over here. You'll see the uh, tab with the IELTS name, right? You click on the IELTS, and there's IELTS test, and here you can go for the reading test or you can go for the listening test. This video is about IELTS listening test. So you click on the IELTS listening test section, and you come on the next page where free online IELTS listening test collection. They have uploaded all the Cambridge books over here. You see the Cambridge book 20 has already been uploaded on that portal. Again, you have an option of selecting academic or general. As far as listening is concerned, which is the same in academic and general. If you are doing reading test, obviously you need to click on academic or general training, right? Now, as the listening is same in general and academic, first I would suggest you click on the activities to practice, to make sure you are familiar with computer and you can click the answers. First, like you see, there are different activities: note completion, one choice, two choices, matching, and note completion, matching. All that activity we can check any activity, like clicking on that. There are two choices, so you take the test and see. There's only two choices question. This is a 7 minutes audio, and there is an activity of two choices. There is a listening. You can play here. You should have the headphones over there, and then you can click on the options. You can see, you can listen the audio. Exactly same as your paper format. If you click over submit here, and you'll see that how much marks you have got out of 2. This is the activity, right? And if you want to take the whole listening test, and you'll see the full test over there, click on the test, take test, and you'll come in the whole audio. Part 1, you see 10 questions in part 1, and you come to the part 2. There's a part 2, 11 to 20 questions. 11 to 20 questions is your part 2. And then you can go for the part 3. There's a part 3, 21 to 30 questions. And then you again click on the left bottom of the page, You can click the forward page and you'll see the section 4, which is 30 to 40. You can switch between the sections during your test, but you won't have time to switch between the section. Obviously, audio will not be stopped, will not be paused, will not be reversed. You will not be able to reverse it or stop it. Once the audio is started, you can only go forward, you cannot go backward. So I would recommend you that during the practice, do not do that practice that you pause the audio or you play the audio then you can reverse the audio, because that will be harmful for your practice, because in actual test you won't have a single chance to reverse it or to pause it. All right, they will make you check the headphones before starting. Once the audio is started, you can only go forward and forward. Whatever, if some answer is wrong, just leave it and go forward. That's how you can go for the fourth section. And then same method what you do in reading, click submit button, and you will see the result over there, how many marks you have got out of 40 questions. So this is all about listening test. All right, hopefully you got the understanding of how you can perform the listening test on a portal which is free.